I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to get a refund for a cancelled hotel booking on Booking.com, follow these steps to make the process smoother. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Booking.com account on their website or app. This will give you access to your bookings and the necessary options for refunds. Step 2. Find your booking. Navigate to the My Booking section and locate the reservation you want to cancel. Click on it to view the details. Step 3. Check cancellation policy. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the AceRock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Initiate the cancellation. If you are eligible for a refund, click on the Cancel button. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation emails that may follow. Step 5. Contact customer service if needed. If you encounter any issues or if the refund doesn't process as expected, reach out to Booking.com customer service. They can assist you with any complications. Remember, sometimes refunds can take a few days to process, so be patient. If you follow these steps, you should be able to navigate the refund process without too much hassle. Good luck!